Hi there, what we're going to talk about in this short video is answering the question, is it best to place a cosmic order just once and then completely forget about it, or to place your cosmic order and then to focus on it ongoing until it arrives? There are a couple of things that are really important here. A lot of people believe that you place the order once and if you place it again, it's like resetting the order. A little bit like you're phoning up an ordering service, and once you've placed the order, it's on its way to you, it's being delivered. But if you phone up and place the order again, that one gets cancelled and then another one gets sent. So you've got to wait for the delivery process all over again. If you believe this, then what you'll be trying to do is you'll be trying to place orders and then completely forget them. This is really difficult to do. It's very hard to try and forget about something, especially if it's something that's important. So let's say, for example, you've placed a cosmic order for some money. Now the chances are if you're ordering money or wealth, then you'll be doing this because you're not in a financially beneficial position already. So perhaps you've got bills to pay, or there's things that you'd like to buy that you can't. So what you'll have in your life is lots of physical reminders that you want this thing that you've placed an order for. So you'll be reminded of that over and over again. So it's very difficult to then place that order and then forget about it. That's just not going to happen. Now, people that think you should forget about the order, every time they're reminded, that they've placed this order, then they'll be sending out a new vibration, a new cosmic order that's going to stop it coming to them. So the first time you place the order, yes, it's on its way. When you start to think about it and wonder how long it's going to take, or why it hasn't turned up yet, or get frustrated or start to lose faith, then you'll place a new order which stops that first one, and you're ordering something different into your life. So for instance, if you're ordering wealth and you're ordering poverty, you can't have those both things at the same time. They're two different things. They don't work together. So you either get wealth or you get poverty. If you order wealth first and then you cancel that order by ordering poverty, then you won't get the wealth. You'll be ordering something new. And when people worry about not being able to pay bills, that's what's happening. They're ordering lack into their lives. So what we can't do, logic dictates that it's very difficult for us to be able to just put the order out there and then completely forget about it. If it's something we're not really bothered about, then that tends to be a lot easier. We'll place an order, a couple of weeks later it'll show up, suddenly we're reminded we placed the order and we think it's all wonderful. But when it is something we do care about, it's a completely different ball game. You place the order, it starts to come to you, and then you think about it. And it's the way that you think about it that's the difference. If you think, I shouldn't have thought of that, now I've thought about the order, it's going to reset it, then you're placing another cosmic order at that exact moment. You're sending out a vibration that's going to stop that first order coming to you and either start a new one, or it's going to start creating the idea of lack into your life. So you're going to cancel your order. But if you send out the right vibration that enables that order to come to you faster, then it doesn't matter how many times you think about it. And in fact, the more times you think about it, the better. Now, this is what I prefer to do, because I know that when I place a cosmic order, I get excited about it and I look forward to it. So for example, let's say you've just placed a cosmic order for a new car, and then a week down the line it's not showing up yet, and you think about your new car. What you're faced with here is you can think, that cosmic order is not showing up yet, does this really work? I'm not really sure if this is gonna turn out the way it should do. That's sending out negative vibes, and that's what stops it coming to you. If instead of doing that, a week down the line you think about your cosmic order and you think, oh, that cosmic order I placed for the car, that'll be arriving soon, oh, I can't wait, it's going to be so exciting. Then what you're doing is you're placing another cosmic order to increase the speed at which you receive your car. So you're putting more emotion into it, you're getting more involved in it, and that's what it's really important to do. Now, the way that I suggest that you do this, there's a couple of little tricks that I use. The first one is whenever I place a cosmic order for something, I immediately imagine the moment I've placed the order, that thing is mine. It might not be in my physical life yet, I can't use it yet if it's a physical item, but it is mine. The moment I place the order and choose what it is that I'm cosmically ordering, it becomes mine. And the time between me placing the order and me physically receiving it is the delivery process. So if I've ordered a new car, then I imagine what it's like when you physically order a new car and it has to be delivered to you. There are a few days that you've got to wait, and after a little while the car will turn up, someone will knock on your door and you'll take delivery. So every time I think of the ordering process in that context, I imagine the guy actually delivering it to me, a delivery vehicle or the actual car or whatever it is coming to me, and it's on its journey to my house. So each time I think of the cosmic order, I'm thinking it's getting closer and closer, it's almost here. That's one that I use. Another one that I tend to favour is I imagine that I've got the thing, it's mine, but I'm not allowed to open it yet. So it's like a Christmas present. It's all wrapped up, or a birthday present. I know it's mine, I know what's in there, I know what the wrapping is because I chose it, and all I've got to do is wait for the right day, either my birthday or Christmas, when I'm allowed to open it, and then I can rip the wrapping off and I can enjoy it and it's mine. When that happens, just imagine for a moment that you've been bought a present, you had to go and help someone choose it, so you know exactly what it is, but you're not allowed to have it until your birthday. And imagine it's a couple of weeks away from your birthday. And that present's all wrapped up nice and neatly, and you can see it. You know it's there, you know what's inside, and you know it's yours, and you know it's going to be yours. After a couple of days have passed, and you still haven't got it, you don't think to yourself, I still haven't got that present yet, perhaps I'm not really going to get it after all. You know the whole time it's yours, it's there, it's waiting for you. And the moment you're allowed to have it, at the perfect timing, it will be yours. That's what cosmic ordering's like. When you place an order for something, it starts its journey to you. And the moment it shows up in your life is always the time that's perfect. It might feel like it's a little bit last minute, but it's always in perfect time and perfect order. This is like when you've got a birthday present. You know it's yours, and then at the perfect time, your birthday morning, you'll be able to open the present and actually enjoy it in the physical world. So there's a couple of ways there, either imagining something's being delivered to you, or imagining it's a present that's already yours and you've just got to wait for a certain time so that you can open it. Those ideas, if you think about your cosmic orders like that, then when you think about them over and over and over again, rather than thinking, oh, it hasn't shown up yet, I'm not sure if this works, what you tend to think is, oh God, it's on its way and I really can't wait, I'm closer and closer and closer to getting it. Then you get excited about it, and that's what draws it to you. So bear those in mind. You might like to make up some of your own variations on those, and every time you think of your cosmic orders, just get a bit more excited because you're a bit closer. The more excited and the more emotional content you can put into it, the quicker the thing will come to you and the more wonderful it will be. So thank you for watching and take care. And of course, if you haven't already, then get yourself over to my website at cosmicorderingsecrets.com, where you'll find tips like that and lots of others that completely explain how I use cosmic ordering to get all the things that I want in my life. And you'll be able to read about my story of how I recently cosmic ordered my new home as well. So take care and bye bye.